Welcome to the Famer game, our game, which is presented by Shahana teacher and myself. Now, the name of our game is Hop It Up. The subject that we are focusing is literacy. The concepts that we have covered in this game is all the letters from A to Z, CVC words, blends, double consonants, digraphs, sight words, and framing of sentences. The age group that we are targeting is 5 to 7 years. The objective, the goal that we are trying to achieve with our game is letter and sound recognition, blend and read the concept words, and frame a sentence for the word. About the model, we have a board game with different pictures related to the concept that we mentioned, and we have a Hop It Up frog. I will take you to the next slide. Now, working of the model. This is a board game with pictures related to all the concepts that we are covering as far in K1 and K2. That is your CVC, blends, digraphs, double consonants, all the concepts. There is a Hop It Up frog as well. Now, when you place the board on the table, the child has to place the frog on any one corner of the board. The frog's tail has a clip. When you press that clip, the frog is going to hop and it's going to be placed at any one picture of the board. Wherever the frog stops, the child has to comprehend, identify the picture. The child has to say what is the picture. For example, it's a crab. So he will say the sounds k-r-ab, crab. Make that word with the letters given to the child from A to Z. After that, after the child is successfully able to recognize the picture, make the word, he will tell me what is the concept over here. Is it initial blend, final blend, double consonant? Which concept word this is? After which the child will make a sentence using the word and the sight word start. I will take you to the next slide. Any rules over here? The child has to use the letter cards to make the words for the picture. He has to use the frog, which will hop, and also make a sentence out of it. When the child is successfully able to do everything, there are rewards kept by the teacher, which will be given to the child. The material that we are using over here is a cardboard for the board game, picture cards. There is a frog, letter cards A to Z, and rewards, smileys and stars. The cost to build the game is around 100 rupees. I will show you the pictures of our model. See, this is the board game which has all the pictures of the concepts covered. Here over here, this is the frog, the Hop It Up frog. The tail, when you press, it's gonna hop. This is all the letter cards which we have. You can also use the letter cards in their literacy kit as well. And these are the stars and smileys which we can give them as rewards. Now I would ask Shahana teacher to show them the model. Over to you, Shahana teacher.
Good morning, everyone. This is my model. I hope everyone can see the model. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the model, and these are the plate. This is the plate where the children are going to make the words on this plate. I have chosen white color so that colorful cards can be seen on this. And this is the literacy card which all the children having in their kit. They will be using this to make words. And these are the rewards which we are going to give it to the children if they do it well. And these are the cards in the box which will be used. Now I will just play a video for the demonstration of the game.
Good morning, children. Today we have a recap session, and in this recap session we are going to revise CVC words, digraph, blends, and the double consonant words. So children, to revise this concept, teacher has made a wonderful game, this board game, and the name of this game is Hop It Up. Okay, now let me explain. This board includes the words of CVC, digraph, double consonant, all the mixture of words are there. Okay, now let me explain the rule of the game. Okay, this game is going to be played table wise. Okay, teacher will circulate the board game table wise. And you can see this frog, have to press the tail of the frog and the frog will jump on any of the word. Okay, once it goes on any of the word, you have to look at the picture, identify the picture, and with the help of these letter cards, you have to make a word on this plate. And here you can see the rewards also. So those who are going to make quickly and clearly, nicely, teacher is definitely going to give you rewards as well. So children, shall we start with the game?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start with the game?
Yes.
So each child will get 2 chances. Okay, so now you can start your game. Come on, start.
Okay.
Okay, which word have you got it?
Nest.
Okay, now make a word nest in the plate. Okay,
Nest.
one more time. Hop a frog. One more time. Yes, you can hop it from there as well. Okay, so which word have you got it?
Lock.
Okay, now make a word lock. Quick, quick. Okay, so you have made a word nest and lock. Now can you make, child, can you make a sentence on the word nest?
Okay. Bird
Think.
live in a nest.
Okay, birds live in a...
Nest.
Okay, thank you. So now this game will circulate with the other children also, and everyone will get at least 2 chances. Okay, thank you children.